What's going on, everyone? AJ here, and I'm back with another episode of replicating Dribbble designs in SwiftUI. Except that we aren't going to be replicating anything today. What we're going to be doing instead is we're going to be adding some really cool animation. Working with some of the graphs and probably some of the content down here. And yeah, just gonna add, a basic on tap gesture when you click here, and a basic on tap gesture when you click this circle. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna have some sort of animation when we click this card, and we're gonna do it for both these guys, and we're gonna do an on tap gesture for these circles. Now, just to give you guys, in order to animate this, we have to head on over to our user view, and I'm gonna do a little refactoring here because it's getting a little messy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold. Yeah, I'm gonna fold this. Let's fold. Okay, and we have the divider, and I'm gonna click this H stack and extract subview. Users top, okay, and then same thing down here. I'm gonna fold this guy. Can I not? Oh, I have to click parentheses, fold, and this is gonna be extract subview, users bottom. Okay, and so what we've done now is we've kind of created these little mini components, and these components are going to be resting down here. No worries. And that's where we're going to do most of the animation. I just wanted to kind of clean this up. And, okay. To match our animation, what we're going to do is we're actually going to do total users here. And I'm going to come down to the user top. And I'm just going to do, let's see, let's just say, let's call this September users, okay, and 57 mil, and let's do new September users. So pretty much what we're saying is, no, we can actually just keep this new users. So what's this saying is we have total of 57 million users in September, and we have 36,000 new ones in September total. So what we're gonna do is, let's see here, maybe we can animate where when we click this, it'll show the amount of users the amount of users that we've earned today, so in one day. And then we'll also make it so we can click this area, and when we click this area, we can see the retention for today. Okay, and let's actually notify users. So let's come in here and let's do a text tap a view to view more tap the card for additional views, and maybe we can clip this, put this here, and let's embed this guy into a V stack. Okay, let's cut him out. Alright, and let's do alignment dot leading. Okay, and let's do like 10 now, and let's make this a foreground of dot white, and let's make this super small. And system, let's turn this mic a little, sorry guys. Size, dot size, and let's do 14 dot medium and dot rounded. Okay. And maybe we can do like a I don't like that color. Okay, let's just color lit, and let's get the picker out. It's definitely, can I pick you, and let's see what this looks like. Yeah, okay, and let's do a padding of top 3. 1. Zero. Okay. All right. So, okay, cool. So now what we'll do, for additional, maybe we can do analytics, right? Because I figure we're gonna have to. Let's actually make this overall card bigger. Let's make this like a 430. Yeah, let's add like 10. Let's head on over to our content view. Let's make sure that doesn't really mess anything up, and actually makes it look better. Okay. All right, so let's go back to the user view. Now let's dive into animation, right? So first, let's go to the user top. We're going to animate the user top first. Okay, and we're going to call this at state var daily users equals false. And what we're going to do is come in here. We're going to copy this guy. Daily users question mark. And we're going to do that. And then what we're going to do is today users today, new users, new users today. Let's try that. And okay, and then let's do 40. Let's say we get an influx today. Let's get 10K, and let's just make this like 1.50%. Oh, forgot the whoops. Daily users, and it's gonna be 57M, and this, let's just do, yeah, like I said, let's get an influx of users, daily users, and let's do like 1.5%. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add this dot animation spring. I personally like adding them to each individual, everything I'm animating, just to make sure it's attached to it. If you don't add this, it's not going to be a smooth animation. So I love the dot spring the best. I know there's better ways to animate without calling all these things, but just for time's sake, this is just the easiest route. And to definitely dive into starting with animation, you definitely want to go down the easier route first. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy this, okay? And what I'm gonna say is, in the beginning of the day we didn't get a lot, so let's do 10, and then color lit, and we're just gonna copy this, put this here, let's delete that, and we'll make this red, okay? And we're gonna do the same thing for the first 2 hours here, and then after that we'll keep this neutral color, and we'll keep this we'll keep this neutral color, but we'll still want to animate it because we're gonna definitely animate the height. Do the same thing here. So then this one what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this an influx of users because it's near the end of the day. And let's open this up and let's do like a cool green. Yeah. Okay, let's see how that looks. And we're gonna copy that, put that here. Okay, now we got that. Now we gotta adjust some heights. So, and let's make him like, he's gonna come all the way down from 75, which is cool. And this guy, oh, whoops. And this guy's gonna be, let's do 50. Okay. And you're gonna jump. So he's already kind of tall. So let's do 70. And let's do 75. And same with this guy, 75. All right, so what it's saying here, let's resume this. All right, so it's working. All right, and now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take this animation spring. Like I said, guys, you can, to play it safe, this is just what I do. I add it to every little element I'm animating. Usually what you can do is you can just find the parent element here, like this H stack that's containing these bars, and you can actually just put it right here. But I just want to play it safe, and I found going through this tutorial, this was the best way to do it. So let's do an on tap gesture, and let's do user graph, self dot user daily user, sorry, dot toggle. Okay, and so what this is gonna do is on tap here, when I hit this, this is gonna animate, and this is, the heights are gonna change, all these texts are gonna change, and the color. So did you look at that? You guys like that? Look at that. New users, cool. And then let's come down here. Let's do the same thing for user bottom, and let's do state var retention. Let's go through this a little quicker. Equals false, and let's have low retention. So retention, and we're gonna do retention. Okay, got that. And then we're gonna come in here and do, and let's do the average retention. So average retention, let's do 40%. Okay, come in here, paste the same thing, and stop. And you know what? We don't want 40% here. We want, let's do 7K, so maybe 7,000 of our 10,000 users. Hold on. Okay, you fast forward that real quick. Sorry, I had an emergency. And then, so let's do 40% retention. All right, and then we're gonna come in here, grab the animation spring, come down here, bang, add this, and add this. Now we want to do the rectangles. So retention, it's gonna be 10. Let's do 5. Otherwise that. Come in here, retention. It's gonna be 10. Otherwise that. This is gonna be retention. This is gonna be, let's do 50. Otherwise that, and retention, let's do 75. Otherwise that, and then last but not least, retention 75. This is not spelled right. Retention. Okay, cool. And then we'll grab this red that we used right here. And come in here and let's add it. Retention. Okay. Retention. Okay. And we'll keep this the same. Copy that. Okay. And then retention. And last but not least, retention. Let's go grab that green. And this green right here. Put that right in here. Okay. And then last but not least, we're gonna come in here and grab this animation spring and add it to all these. All right. So let's resume. So when we click here, this stuff should change as well. Let's click this. Oh, right. Got to add on tab gesture. So on tab gesture self dot retention dot toggle. Okay. This should work now. Come in here. There you go. So we can see the retention new users today, and maybe we can change this to retention today. And last but not least, maybe we can do daily users, new users today, total. Yeah, maybe we can do a yeah. Let's see if we can change this to maybe we can do oh wait, that's gonna no, let's keep it like this. There, so we got these animations. We gotta move on to the next section. So these are cool, right? So let's go down to the circle view, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna mess around with this. So let's do this. Let's do, when we click this, we'll say today's progress, and we'll say courses completed, and we'll change that percentage and the color. So maybe we can do like let's do this. Today's courses completed, courses, and no, let's see here. Unity, how can we today, I'll change this today, and then courses completed, and then I'll change that to a number. So let's do that. Icon, and let's see here. I'm gonna try something. Binding, and let's do state var today courses false. Now if I do this, today courses, okay, today courses is gonna be, come in here, completed today, maybe. Maybe we can do today's analytics. I don't like that. Completed today. Let's do that. And then let's see if I can come down here, top row, bottom row, and circles 2, bottom row, perfect. And let's do binding var. What's this? This is today's courses. Today courses. Bool. I believe it's a boolean. Should work. Okay. And now what we can do is, okay, we can come in here and we need to also, yeah, okay, so we need to do a lot. Okay, so W portfolio. Let's just bind these real quick. And let's come to circle 2. Want to bind that. Okay, and we want to bind this. We'll fix that error in a second. Come in here. Come in here. Add that. Oh. Come in here. And this is going to be courses. Copy this. Paste that in there. Gonna come up here. It's a lot to bind, I know. And put that in there. So this should all be binded now. Perfect. And what we're gonna do is let's start with the circles. So today's courses, let's go to where's my trim? This is my back circle. So what we'll do is we'll do today's courses. And we'll do 0.7 today courses. There we go. Right? It should work. Okay. And let's copy this. So this is circle 2, okay? And maybe so maybe below is Unity comps. Let's do this. Unity comps today completed. That's what we'll do. And then courses completed today. So for Unity comps. So let's make this. Let's make this less. And let's make this red. Today courses. And we're going to make this like a red. I didn't do that many. Okay. Space and space. And that should be good there. And let's do 2. Okay. And let's head on to the other circle, circle 1. This is the fun one I wanna mess with. And this is, let's see here. Oh, you know what? I bet you. Oh, I know what it is. Okay, so I think this is gonna be. Yeah, I think we want to make this like 0.9. Let me just, I think we're going to make this 0.9 and this 0.3. And then we'll make this, let's make this 5 courses. Come in here. And today's courses, let's do this cool green up. Let's go to the user view here. And come down. Let's grab this green. This green. And we're going to put it right here. Okay, same thing here. Cool. And all right, and 5. Let's make this 7. That's cool. All right, and then we have that done, and then we got to update the text. So let's do completed today. Okay, and let's head on down to this guy. Completed today. All right, and then cool. So we'll come down to this guy, and we'll make this animation dot spring. Okay, let's copy him, and then let's come on here. Let's put him here, and this circle. Let's add this to the circle. Oh. Today courses. I always do that. Question mark. This is going to be 62%. Okay. We're going to need this here. And, okay. Did I mess up down here? Completed. Cool. Got that. And then this guy is going to be 40%. Okay. Today courses, question mark. And it's going to be 7. Okay, perfect. And add this here. Add this to the circle. All right. And so yeah, we got to add an on tab gesture. to let's do top row today courses. Let's do on tap gesture, and let's do self dot today courses dot toggle, and let's do that same thing here. Okay, so it should be good. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it should be good. Yep, we're good. All right, so one last thing. Let's add .animation.spring here, and let's click play. Oh, we messed up. Okay, so let's head on down to, oh, that's why. So what did I have here? I think I had 8. Yeah, so this needs to be today courses, and it's going to be 03, like that. Okay, so what should happen now? I should click this. Oh. Okay, hold on. Animation.spring. Maybe if I add it here. Oh, you know what? I bet you I gotta add it right here. Wow, that's terrible. So it seems like the circles aren't getting it. Okay, so let's check. So maybe if I put it on the parent Z stack. And let's do the same thing here. Let's do this top row, and put this here. Take this out. All right, let's try this. Okay, it's all right. We'll figure this out. Let's go to circle. Ah, that's why I'm here. It's because of this angle. Okay. All right, so let's do today courses. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. Here we go. Okay, so this has to be like maybe 40. No. Minus 30. Minus 50. All right, and then what we'll do is we'll do the same thing for this circle. And where's rotation effect? Am I not rotating it? Maybe I can take this guy and just copy him. And maybe this could be minus 20, and maybe this could be 50. No. Minus 50? No. Yeah. Some pretty cool animations now. Cool. All right, so let's head on over to our content view now, right? So we have this finished app, right? And we have added some animations. So if we click this, we click play again, we should be able to animate this. Click this. Cool. What we got down? Oh, see? Look at that. Cool. So I completed 70 unit comps. Fully 2 courses there. And my retention rate today is 7K. Cool. So that's it, guys. That's it for this episode. Really hope you enjoyed how to animate this Dribbble design. Gonna be posting another video. I'm thinking about building an app from start to finish. It's gonna be my studio. We're gonna just build a basic SwiftUI app and display just content or display projects that we've worked on in there. And we're gonna design it and then develop it together. So, it's gonna be a work in progress, but I'm thinking about doing it. So the next episode is coming out. I'll add the link at the end of this tutorial, but I'm still gonna keep doing videos like this. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, comment, like below, and I'll see you in the next episode.